Hi, this video is to show you how to do a factory reset on a Dimplex Quantum. The main reason you do that is to reset it back to normal after changing all the timers. So to open the flap, and you want to be pressing the menu button, which is this one, and the enter button, which is this one, both at the same time, for a little bit longer than that's natural. We've entered the user info menu and you scroll down to factory. Press the enter button again. Factory reset, yes or no, press yes. And then that's set all the timers back to where they should be. Okay, thanks for watching.